All right, so if this works, what you need to do is go to this little open in a new tab icon, click that, and it will open up your web server that's hosted on REPL. It says if you are a patient, log in here. And that's the launch.html saying, hey, it's this client ID that's trying to connect, and here's the redirect URI, and it's going to try to match those and make sure they're correct. I believe it is Wilma_smart. And the password and username is at the bottom of the page, but it's also on the Cerner Google group for Fire, the link of which is on the page. All right. And it says connect Fire Intro, which is what we titled our app as, to FirePlay Millennium, which is the sandbox that Cerner hosts. It allows Fire Intro to access all the stuff that we checked off. And you could do it for the patient themselves or for somebody to have proxy access to. Proxy access is usually like a child who's under the age of 13 or so. It'll allow it to share for 10 minutes. Since we don't have an offline scope, we can only have the token for a certain amount of time. You can request refresh tokens, so to keep that open a little longer as well. Click allow access. And if all goes as planned, you should see some JSON here. And could look at the network request, and let's just reload it. And it went, and we're going to look at all, and it got medication order right here. And come on, medication order. There you go. And it got a response, which gave it a bunch of entries for medication order. And in this one in particular is on Wilma Smart, and it's heparin. I believe in medication reference, it'll tell you the RX norm and what it is. It's D5W, which is dextrose water with heparin. And what I set up the page to do is to just insert the JSON over there so you could see it, but obviously you could use something like Reactor View to display this as a list or do whatever other fun stuff you want to do. So that is connecting a Fire app for patients really quick in 4.5 minutes, and I hope you enjoyed. Please check out some of the other videos on patient.dev. Thanks.